Hey everybody, ScottBurnette here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. Well, as you can see, I'm pretty well lit up here. I got all my blueprints up here that are lit up and doing all their thing. But I've added a new strip down here of LED lights that I can change the color on. And a lot of the YouTubers are doing it, and a lot of people have a work from home setup or doing neat things to their desk and their work setup. And this is my work setup. Let's talk about it for a second. So we got my Dell E7490, 16 gigs of RAM, i7 8765, 512 NVMe drive. Two 2319 Dell monitors on an Amazon basic ARM, Logitech keyboard and mouse. I got the faux leather desk pad. If you want to see a video on the unboxing on that, it'll be right up here. Got my phone stand, got my little salt rock. I just think it looks cool on here. Got my Amazon arm light that articulates. I can change the colors and everything on my blueprints. I can change the color on that. I got Dell speakers with a USB-C dock. Alex drawers from IKEA. IKEA Carlby countertop. And then a set of IKEA legs over here. Got the Sigmund wire trough underneath, which things are kind of a mess right now because I've been moving my computers around and stuff. I'm always changing stuff. That's why I wanted to do the lighting thing, because I think it's just cool. It'll do all kind of colors and everything. So my thing today, I just wanted to show you how inexpensive and how easy it was to do this. So I've got a little video on how to do it. And my wife thinks I'm 12, but I'm actually 53, so, but anyway, I think it's cool. So anyway, here's the video. All right, so we're gonna start out with the Govee. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. It's a RGB LED strip. I have not opened this box yet. But it says making life smarter on the end of it, so that's got to be a good thing. It is from China, but we'll... Okay, so we got a little book that shows where you can get the App Store for Android and iPhone. Got that. Got a little user's manual. Got some regulatory stuff and... installation step. This would be like a quick start guide. Right there. We'll keep that out. Here is the roll of LEDs. It says do not roll up when using. So you gotta remember that. And here's the little adapter. You can turn it off and on, or you can use a remote. It's got little power connections there. And I'd say that's the receiver for the remote, if I was a betting man. Let's see what else is in here. We got a bunch of little 3M adhesive and with screws, little attachment blocks. Here's the little remote control, and it's just like about like the one I got. Yeah, it's identical to the one I already got. So have to keep up with two of them. Put that right there. Here's the little 12-volt wall wart. Got a little plug on it. These are called wall warts in the trade. So. And it comes with an alcohol prep wipe. And we'll use that on the back. And what we'll do, we'll slide the desk out so I can get to the back of it, because I've got some wires and then the monitor mount and all that stuff. I'm gonna have to go around, but I'll slide it out far enough to where we can get to it. So y'all hang with me. Okay, next step, I've got the desk moved away, and what we're going to do, we're going to have this end with the controller and everything on the other end of the desk. I'm going to measure out how long we need to get to the corner of the desk here. By looking at the instructions, it's telling me, they want to use the whole strip. Well, I don't want to use the whole strip. And if I cut it, I can use the rest of it on something else, say my boat or something. But I'm going to go away for a second. We'll cut this to the right length. We'll bring you back and set you up right here so you can see what I'm doing. We'll take some alcohol and a paper towel and clean the back of the desk. And this has just got 3M adhesive. And if you want to cut it to a certain length, if you can see where my finger's at, hopefully I'm focused on that, I can't see. There's a little line right there, and you cut it there with an ordinary pair of scissors. If you cut it anywhere else, you can disrupt the circuit and throw the thing away unless you go back and cut it in the right place. So let me move the camera right here. We'll get the alcohol and wipe it down and get this done. We won't be here all day. I got to eat supper at some point. Alcohol and paper towel. If y'all hear my dog barking in the background, she is mad about something, and I don't know what. So all I've got is 70% isopropyl alcohol, and that's about all you can get in a store. That and 50%, it's hard to come by. Stupid pandemic. So anyway, I'm gonna be careful with my computer and all the wires and stuff. I don't have to rewire everything. It actually got a little woody dirt looking stuff there. Get that. If you can't cut places on your fingers, you can find them. So don't come in here, Gretchen. I got the tripod set. Well, it actually worked. All right. Now it's dry, or should be dry. Now, if you're in a little bit colder climate or whatever, you'll need to warm the tape up. Grab my scissors. And I measured this out. Let me bring it over so you can see it on the camera when I cut it. Can y'all see that? Yeah. All right, I'm gonna take it right here. Just that easy. Won't focus in on it. All right, let me move all this out of the way and we'll get started on the other end. Oh, and another thing, there's all kind of little splices and stuff that you can get with LED, little extender cables and stuff, so you can add more than one LED strip together. The controller actually has a 3M pad on it as well, so that's pretty cool. I think you could just put your house together with the 3M strip nowadays. All right, let me come over here. We will start pulling the tape off of it. speed up the footage here. I've got to get a wireless microphone. This is terrible. Come here. Just as easy as that. Now I'll slide the desk back. Now I'm going to get under and just plug the remote in and take the 3M strip. And I'm just going to mount the remote right underneath, or the controller rather. I'll bring you down in just a minute and show you that. And excuse the wiring job right now. I'm right in the middle of moving everything. So I'm going to plug this into the surge suppressor. And that's all you have to do. And if you look at that, it's already on for some reason. So I wish it was darker in here, but we'll, when we do the intro, we'll do it where it's dark. And it should be, we just pull that out. Okay, it turns it off, turns it on. Let's change colors on it. So one bad thing, you have to have a remote down low, but because where the receiver is, I probably could have put it on top, but I didn't want to. So I'll tell you what, let's come back when it's dark or darker, and we'll be able to see it better. So anyway, we're back. I know the audio wasn't the greatest in that, and I was standing in the way a little bit, so hopefully you got a good idea on how easy it was to put these on here. Anybody can do it. I think they were $20 from Amazon, I think. I'll have a complete parts list down in the bottom, or the link to what they are in the bottom in the description. But anyway, that's all I got for tonight. So if y'all like this video, give me a thumbs up. It really helps out. I think we're at 327 subscribers right now. I just passed 50,000 total views on videos, which is just awesome, and I appreciate everybody. If you don't mind, hit that little subscribe button, hit that little bell to be notified. It doesn't cost you a dime to subscribe, and it helps me out. I don't get monetized for this, but when I get those numbers up, maybe I will, and I can do some neater stuff. Hope everybody's doing great. Hope everybody's doing well. And if I can say one thing, let's be nice to our friends and neighbors and family, and let's have some good thoughts toward everybody, okay? It is really a mess out there. So anyway, until the next video, thanks for watching.